Hey, hi everyone, this is Nishar, also known as Getsejui. This video is all about a new bike, a new journey, a new vibe. I was riding a Royal Enfield Himalayan since 5 years. Today we have come here in the KTM dealership on the auspicious occasion of World's Motorcycle Day. So আজি আমি আহিছো নতুন এখন বাইক কিনিবলৈ। চলো ভিডিওটো স্টার্ট কৰিব লৈছো। Motorcycle day. Good morning people. ঘৰত আহিলো বাইকখন লৈ তো it's a day one with the bike. So going for a short little spin. Chalo, let's talk over the bike. So starting our journey with our new KTM 390 Adventure. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Oh man, this machine can pull up anything, any speed you want, gives you an adrenaline rush. Oh man, I'm enjoying. Never owned a KTM before. This is taking me places. The punch, the grunt, I can feel that. And yes, the braking as well. I'll definitely be doing a comparison video between the Adventures, the Himalayan and the Adventure 390. Olaman Solailo. So we have reached Porua right now. Talking about the road presence, yes, definitely this thing catches the eyes. I have been seeing people just turning around to have a glance of the motorcycle. And that feeling is very different. So we are going somewhere near the mighty Brahmaputra river. You don't need to think while overtaking on a KTM, but that definitely got merits and demerits as well. You need to be a responsible biker. Chalo, destination at goi pai meli kotha pati asu. So today we are here just near the mighty Brahmaputra river. So talking about the bike, this is the 390X. Basically there are just 4 to 5 major differences between the 390 and the 390X. Juntu karne apuni around 60,000 kom price bhoribo lage. Talking about the features which we are not getting in the 390X variant. First is traction control, TFT display, different set of tires. It got the MRF one. The fourth is cornering ABS and some switches in the handlebar. Ekita basically main differences hoy, but for the sake of 60,000 apunaloke decide koribo pare 390 lobone 390X. And as I told, I have been riding a Royal Enfield Himalayan since 5 to 6 years. So moi definitely eta comparison video bonam ekhon bike aru ekhonor. Both have pros, both have cons. Dutar comparison jot ase. The LED headlamps of this bike is the most attractive part I feel, and majorly Adventure 250 আৰু Adventure 390X ৰ ভিতৰত মোৰ যিমান নলেজ আছে দুটাই ডিফাৰেন্স আছে। এটাটো হ'ল ইঞ্জিন এণ্ড দ্য পাৱাৰ টৰ্ক এণ্ড অল, আৰু ছেকেণ্ডটো হ'ল দ্য হেডলাইটছ। ইউ ডোণ্ট গেট LED headlights in the KTM Adventure 250. বাকি rest of the ergonomics and all are same of all the bikes in the adventure category. And yeah, আমি এতিয়া ভিডিওটো ইয়াতে খতম কৰোঁ। অলপমান বহোঁ, অলপমান চিল কৰোঁ, আহিছোঁ ৰাতিপুৱাতে। So yeah, it was my day, the first day of the bike and with my new machine. Get set, joy. লগ পাম নতুন এটা ভিডিঅ'ত, নতুন এটা জেগাত। Keep watching.